about displaying sensors data on the LCD display. So can you please explain me, give us the description, please?
Sir, can I say one thing,
Yeah.
sir?
Yes,
For
please.
that, we need to show the value. For that, we need just what we need is LCD dot print, sir.
Okay.
Arduino code. LCD dot print. Then it will have what the value of read 8, like
Right.
that.
Okay.
And it will display everything.
Sir, here one doubt is there.
Okay. Yeah, please.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, did you write the code in Java or any other language? What
No, this is Arduino.
language did you use?
Arduino. Mostly it's Arduino programming is mostly like C language. So students have done using C language.
Okay,
Excuse
sir.
me, sir. It is
Yes.
not like a C language, sir.
Okay.
It is actually a simplified C language, sir. But it is completely a different language, sir. But it can run C languages. And it just looks like C language, but it is never C language, sir.
Right. Okay. So it's like C language, like you all mentioned, like I mentioned.
40% C language, sir.
Yeah. 1 second. Yeah. Could you please go ahead with the description while I get this demo ready? Yeah, students, Tanushka, Harshita, Natalia, Jatin, can you please describe about the project, please?
Yes, sir. Good morning, everyone. My name is Jatin Kumar of Class 8. I am going to describe about this project named Displaying Sensors Value on LCD Display. Product to interface various sensors with Arduino to sense the value of temperature, humidity, reed switch, LDR, power button. All these corresponding sensors display their value on LCD display. Parts used in this project: one piece temperature and humidity sensor, one piece read sensor, LDR, one piece Arduino Uno, one piece LCD display.
Very good.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Tanushka and I'm from Class 8. Today I'm going to say about what is meant by LCD display. Liquid crystal display, a flat panel display that uses the light modulating properties of liquid crystals to produce images. This technology is often used in TVs, computer monitors, and mobile devices. Normally, a standard LCD screen requires 8-pin connection with Arduino, but we recommended using a serial enabled 16x2 LCD screen. Now my friend K. Harshita is going to say what are the different sensors we use in this project.
Good morning, everyone present
So what are
here.
the different sensors?
My name is K. Arshit of Class 8. Today I'm going to say functions of sensor. First sensor is reed switch. Reed switch is also called as electric switch, which is operated by an applied magnetic field. When it comes near magnet, it works as slow switch and vice versa. Next is tilt sensor. A tilt sensor is an electronic device that detects the orientation of an object and gives output high or low accordingly. Basically, it has a mercury ball inside it which moves and makes the circuit. So, tilt sensor can turn on or off the circuit based on orientation. Next is touch sensor. Touch sensor is placed on LCD so that the touch area of the panel covers the viewable area of the video screen. Because the technology of touch screen is based on some small electrical changes. Next is temperature and humidity sensor. Temperature and humidity sensor consists of 3 components: a resistive type of humidity sensor, a thermistor to measure temperature, and 8 bolts of
Okay.
microcontroller. To
So, okay. Thank you all, students.
Thank you, sir.
About taking sensor in the sensor. The sensor we use in automated mode.
All right. So, thank you, students.
Sensor works in the Play Store.
Let me show the actual product, how it looks like. Okay, can you all see the screen?
No, sir.
Can you all see my
Yes,
No,
video?
sir. No,
Yes, sir.
Can you see
Yes,
the
yes.
Yes.
Sir.
screen being displayed here?
Sir, actually we cannot see, sir. Because of the lighting effects of that LCD, we are unable to see it, sir.
Okay.
We are only
So let me do one thing.
Sir, keep somewhat far from the camera so that it will be clear for the students.
This one, huh? Can you all see now?
Yes, sir. We can see.
No.
Sir, it's always clear.
Yes, somewhat far from the camera, sir. Hi.
This
Okay,
is,
sir.
Sir, you're able to see.
this is here. The display that is being displayed here, can you all see?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So basically, these are what the students learned basically in 7th class is how to interface different types of sensors so that they can do something more innovative. So as part of that, they have interfaced LDR sensor to detect the light intensity. They have learned how to interface the humidity and the temperature sensor. There is a PIR sensor, and there is a reed switch basically, and there is a temperature exclusive temperature sensor and the power switch. So using these kind of sensors, they have actually read those values and they also learned how to interface the LCD with Arduino. And using the same concepts, they have come up with this thing, and they are displaying the values here. So as I could read here, the temperature showing is 33 degrees, and humidity is 25 at the moment, and power is on. Light intensity is 1511, and the reed switch, which is mostly used for door opening and closing kind of a scenario, it is showing open, right? So when I close the LDR sensor to block the light intensity, the reading that it shows is just 251. But when I open my thing and when I'm trying to see, the intensity is 1641. Similarly, the room temperature at the point is 32 around, and humidity is 25. So it works very well. And using these sensors, or knowing the concept of how to interface different sensors, I'm sure students can do more innovative things in the future, right? So let us quickly move on. Yeah,
Applications
yeah.
of this project.
We'll do one thing. Yes.
This project.
Yes.
This product can be used in industries by using sensors. We can monitor different parameters like temperature, humidity, etc. If any of the sensor data crosses its threshold value, corresponding actions performs.
Yes. Very good. Thank you. And
Thank you.
what we'll do is, if there are any questions, we will take it up at the end. But first, let's do the demonstration of all the models.